What's up? This is how it's done. Alright, so what do we need to do? In order to make income when you're brand new, I need to flip this, by the way. You have to factor in the fact that here's you need to connect with as many people as possible. Okay? But what are you connecting with? Well, ideally, you want to connect with the people who have some type of problem that you have the ability to solve. Okay, so for me, I like to explain and help people along the way to make better content, especially people who just have an extra hard time making content. Like they've tried again and again and they can't do it. They don't know how to use TikTok. They don't want to learn. I am like white on rice and I like force them to realize that they can do it because I had the same issue. So those are the kind of people's problems that I solve, right? And then here's the thing. With the internet, you can connect with so many people that if you charge them a little bit of money each, you can make way more money. Like my friend Mike, he has 231 students in his group where all he does is he teaches a simple funnel, right? Funnel that goes from, one page to the other, you get a landing page. He teaches that to people and like there's 230 people in there paying him $97 a month or $597 for a lifetime access, right? And then as he teaches it, he gets better at it. So that's just what I wanted to show you right now. And if you want more of this, go to Media Mentor Masterclass. Okay? Media Mentor Masterclass.com. And go ahead and opt in and you will get a short email course that teaches you how to go from point A to point B. And basically with that course, if you just take it step by step, you'll be making more money than you can count in sooner than you can think. But you got to take every step seriously. All right, I'll see you there.